Welcome back. In this session, we are going to understand how to return the stock to vendor. What is the process in SAP? See, this is purchase requisition, purchase order. After necessary approvals, we receive the goods. Due to any reason, if the quality is not okay, item is not okay, as material is not as per our specifications. So, reason could be anything. We are not worried about the reason. We are trying to understand how to return these goods to vendor. For returning this stock, there are three possible scenarios in SAP. Return without a return purchase order. So no need to create any purchase order here. Second one, under this we have two scenarios. This is for validated GR, this is for non-validated GR. Second scenario, return with a return purchase order. We need to follow this complete process for returning the stock. Third scenario, return with return purchase order and outbound delivery. Outbound delivery means we need to implement SD module for testing this scenario. In coming days, once we implement this SD module, then we will test this end-to-end scenario. We will understand how to return this with SD as well. Coming to first scenario, we are going to test this. We are going to create a new material master for this testing. MM01. Here select retail. Press enter. Enter 8801 0001. Here return material master. Return material EA. Take any group. Press enter 880. Press enter. Here you need to select a validation class. Enter here value, moving average price 10. Save this. Note down this number. We are going to here vendor return. Material number PR PO. Now next step is to create a purchase order. For testing purpose, I am creating directly from purchase order. If you want, you can create from purchase requisition. We created many purchase orders, so you can follow the standard process, purchase requisition to purchase order. Now go to ME21N. Here select NB. Here press F4. Select this vendor. Now enter material here. Quantity 100. Price is 10. Check for consistency. We don't have any issue. We need storage location. Check this. We need to release this PO. Save this. We have successfully created this purchase order. What is the next step? Next step is to release ME29N. Release this. Save this purchase order. Now next step is to receiving the goods. This is the step where we are receiving the goods. I will open another session, MMBE. So this is my material. Check this. We don't have any stock here. Right now it is 0. Now select here goods receipt with reference to purchase order. Select item is OK. Check this. We don't have any issue. Post this. We have successfully posted this. Go to display. Press enter. This is the document posted. Trading goods to GRIR. Now go and check the stock. Refresh this. See, here we have 100 quantity. The next step, due to any reason, we are not worried about the reason, we have to return this. We completed up to goods receipt. From here itself, we want to return this to vendor. Now check, it is already done. Now post return goods. No need to create any purchase order. Go to MyGo. Here we didn't create any purchase order. What we have to do, we have to select goods receipt again. Here we need to enter what is the purchase order created. Here we need to enter 122 goods movement. See, 122 goods movement is, see here you can see clearly, RE return to vendor. When you receive these goods, system will post 101. How to check this one? We can check this from ME23N. Change this PO. Click on this purchase order history. See what is the goods movement. When you receive this, system posted this one. If you want to return without creating a purchase order, you have to use 122 goods movement. That is exactly we are doing here. Now select here 122. Item is OK. Check this. Enter a reason for movement. See, here we need to enter the reason for movement. Why we are returning? See, damage or poor quality. Select based on your requirement. Here I am selecting poor quality. So now document is OK. Post this. Now go to display. Press enter. Document information. Check this accounting document. What is this here? System is reversed this. Trading goods is minus. You can see here minus symbol. When I post goods receipt, this is my entry. See, trading goods to GRIR. Now system reversed complete entry. Even you will get this information at purchase order history level. Refresh this. See, this is updated with 122 moment time. Both got cancelled. We received this, we returned this. Even you go and check stock report, this is opened here. Before returning the stock, we have 100. Refresh, there is no stock here. Hope you understand how to return the stock without creating purchase order. We need to use goods movement 120. If you like this course, don't forget to write a review for the course.